Hi everybody, my name's Lucy and I am an educator for Pure Nails, and today I am going to be showing you my 5 favourite products. So I'm going to start by showing you the product that really got me to change onto Halo. So I have been doing nails for over 13 years now and I do not like to change. So a couple of my friends started using Halo and one of my friends let me borrow some of their products a couple of years ago, and the first product that I absolutely fell in love with was the Halo French White. I had been doing a lot of different nail art and things with other products in the industry, and I could never find something that was really white, you know, like you didn't need to put layer on top of layer. It was just boom, pigmented, you had that white clean line. It was perfect to work with. It was a really thick product to work with if you needed it, and it could create a really crisp line when doing French. So my second product that I'm going to be using is also in the gel polish range. I absolutely love the matte gel polish top coat. It's a non-white top coat and it is unreal. So before matte became a thing, I used to love matte. I love matte everything, matte lipstick, matte makeup. I've nothing shiny, everything has to be matte. My kitchen, everything is matte. I'm a bit of obsessive with that kind of stuff. But yeah, I'd been using loads of different products, trying to experiment, and I could never find a matte that stayed matte, or you know, you didn't have to wipe that shiny layer off, the sticky layer, sorry, and it would just, I'd get clients that would come back and you know, it'd go shiny or dull or after time of using it, and then I found this and my life was changed. And to be fair, my clients did not have a choice of what they wanted, because when I first started using this, I think on my Instagram page you can just see loads and loads of matte nails, and you can tell when I actually got introduced to this product. It is a really, really beautiful product to use. You don't need a lot of product. So sometimes with matte top coats I found that you know, it can be quite gloopy after a while of using it. With the Halo, I find that it really is very consistent the whole way through till you actually get down to the bottom of the bottle, and it's just it speaks for itself. It can take a colour that's average and make it be like boom. So the third product that I am going to be sharing with you guys today is probably not just one of my favourites, it's probably my clients' favourites, because every time that I use this product, all my clients talk about it. They all ask me about the smell, and it is, I'm sure you'll all know what I'm talking about if you've tried this product. If you haven't, you need to get it because it is beautiful. It is the Pure Nails Halo Prep and Scrub. So this little bad boy is absolutely amazing for any of your systems. It was used mainly for gel polish, but it is a really good prep for anything. I use it for all my systems. I just like to use it just to make sure if I've done a manicure, just to prep correctly. I use it for my acrylics, my poly build. I use it for my easy build, all the systems. So this is like what is it like? It's like a primer for your makeup. It's absolutely unbelievable. So this little bad boy is, what I do is I have this, and it comes in a 100ml bottle, so I have a couple of these, and then it also comes in a 570ml bottle, so I just refill it when I need to, and yeah, it's just unreal. The smell is divine. I literally spray it around the salon all the time, because I know I shouldn't, because it's probably not really great to be spraying a dehydrator around the salon, but do you know what, it smells nice. Yeah, and it's orange and mango scent, but anybody who has used this product will agree with me on how beautiful this product is and how much you just want to use it. And I think as well it's quite good because you want to use that product so much you never forget. You know, for students and stuff that are starting out, I know how crazy it is when you've got kind of like a list in your head of X, Y and Z of what you need to do, whereas this bad boy, you'll never forget it. You'll never forget that smell. So for my fourth product, I'm going to be showing you the Gel It Gel Wipe by Pure Nails. It comes in a 90ml bottle and also a 570ml bottle as well, so you can refill it. And you know, if you're for mobile or for students and stuff that have a smaller kit, it's really good to be able to you know, top it up, and just take these little bottles. Are really handy to have in your kit. Now this is a product that is used primarily for wiping the sticky layer off things, you know, like your gel polish and stuff like that, if you're wiping over nail art. But I absolutely love this bad boy for when I am doing nail art. If I am doing, you know, such things as aquarelle, so using different mediums like Sharpies, if you use inkies, anything like that, this really helps the product to disperse and really helps to get control of it. So there's quite a lot of mixed reviews about what people use. I mean, everyone's personal preference. I've used so many different products in the years that I've been messing around and trying to experiment and do things with nails. For like such things as your Sharpie, nail art, and I've never really found a product that's been absolutely amazing where I can fully control what I'm doing with it until I met this baby. So yeah, if you haven't got this in your kit, anybody that is into doing sort of nail art or you know, being quite creative with stuff, get this bad boy because you will. So the fifth and final product on my Halos favourite list was quite hard to choose because, well, I'm not being funny, but how do you decide between 5 products? Like, they've given us a bit of a challenge here. So what I decided to do was put it down to what has probably changed my life since discovering this product, which would be this product. So the Halo brush cleaner, which comes in a 250ml bottle. I'm organised to an extent, and then when I start making some sort of creation, that's it, boom, it's like a disaster, and I am a nightmare for not fully tidying up and keeping stuff like, yeah, it's like art attack when I do a set of nails. But you know, someone did once say to me that creative people are messy people, and I'm sticking with that. But this brush cleaner does clean up my mess, because I've had it where, you know, I've done a set of nails and I thought, oh god, I forgot to clean that brush because I was so, you know, in with my whatever, feeling the moment, and then I've gone back to the brush and it's hard as nails. So yeah, what do you do with that? Well, this is what you do with that. And since I have actually been using this on all my, because I've got quite a lot of old brushes that I've got that where, you know, they've been discontinued, but I've never found a better brush. And they were ready to be pretty much nearly thrown. They were on the last bristle. This has actually nourished the brushes as well, and really kept them, you know, quite in a good, kind of brought back some sort of oomph to them. So this stuff, if you have not got this in your kit, you need this stuff in your kit, ladies and gentlemen. And on that note, the end of my 5 favourite products from Pure Nails. I hope that you liked my video, and I hope that you enjoy these products just as much as me. If you haven't got them, I hope that you do go and try them because they are absolutely amazing. And yeah, I can't wait to see what your favourite products are, and I hope that you're all staying safe in this madness. And yeah, it's been quite weird actually. Quite nice being sat in my salon environment and not having to wear a mask for a change. It's like the new norm now, just to literally look like a surgeon. So yeah, stay safe and bye bye.